What is Metaverse?
All right, so cryptocurrency based. It's blockchain decentralized, like MMO, a massive multiplayer online virtual world. There's multiple of them. There's not just one metaverse, and you own the assets inside virtual assets. You own them. You get like a certificate of proof, which is the token on the blockchain, and those are the tokens that have actually skyrocketed this year. Like I said a minute ago, Illuvium shot up to like $1,700 at one point in time. It was just a couple weeks ago. Sandbox, their token. Decentraland, it's another metaverse. Their token. Sand jumped up. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. It's just in its infancy. There's not even a lot to say about it. If you've read the book Ready Player One or seen the movie Ready Player One, that's kind of what it's going to be like.
So why do you think Facebook changed its name to Metaverse?
To capitalize on it mainly, but Mark Zuckerberg, they own Oculus. They're already in the VR space, so they want to be like the first in there to actually have a world where people can go and interact socially. It'll be like you're on Facebook, but in a 3D virtual, kind of how we are now, just virtually. And they want to try to get in ahead of that, I guess.
How do you see the future of it?
Pretty much everything is going to take place in it. Like if you've seen Ready Player One, like I said, that everything, their jobs, their schools, pretty much any social interaction they do is within this world called the Oasis, this universe called the Oasis. And yeah, I mean, you won't need to get in a plane to go have your meeting 3 states over. You can have the same experience just virtually. That's going to be worth a lot, especially with the advertising revenue that's going to be coming from that.
Sure.
That's what Facebook wants. Facebook wants to post up all them advertisements in your virtual world.
Perfect. Thank you very much.